Rachel. I am a senior biology major from Omaha, Nebraska, and I am a part of the honors program.
Hello, my name is Thomas Bonus. I'm a biology major here at Creighton. It's my sophomore year currently, and I'm in the Dean's Fellows program. I'm from West Des Moines, Iowa.
Hi, my name is Katie Ward. I'm a senior physics major from Wellesley, Massachusetts, and I'm in the Dean's Fellows program. We recommend business casual to business professional dress for a special programs day. For ladies, a simple dress with cute accessories, nice dress pants, and a cute blouse, or even a suit will work. Please don't feel the need to buy a suit jacket if you don't already have one for a special programs day. We also recommend you wear flats as you will be doing a lot of walking around campus. But please wear whatever you feel most comfortable in. If you are staying Monday to tour campus with a student, jeans are perfectly fine.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. This is a nice way to dress business professional. You got your sport coat, you got your nice shirt, pants, you can also wear dress pants, dress shoes, which make sure they match with your belt, and yeah.
Before you leave for Omaha, make sure to check the weather. It is normally very cold in January and can also be quite windy, so make sure you bring a jacket or coat because you will be walking between buildings on Special Programs Day. There are water bottle fillers all around campus, so bring a water bottle. Look for hot spots around campus. Each hotspot will be serving a different hot beverage including coffee, hot chocolate, cider, and water. Each hotspot will be staffed by students who are willing to answer any questions you may have and guide you anywhere on campus if you get lost or are having trouble finding a location. Look for the orange marker on your maps and at each station to find them. Each hotspot is also giving away Creighton swag all day. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Wait, what building am I in again?
Hey, how old do you think that rock is?
Okay, that's first floor. That's second floor. That's outside. But where do I need to go? I guess I need to find a hot spot.
Do your research. Come prepared with questions on Special Programs Day.
Personally, I feel like the biggest part about the interview process is just being yourself and kind of relaxing. I know everyone says to be yourself, but that's your best bet. And don't be afraid to ask questions and spend your time thoughtfully answering them. Anything to add?
Yeah, I would remember that the interview process is a two-way process. So you're there to learn about the program and the program's there to learn about you. So feel free to ask questions, thoughtfully answer questions, take your time, represent your true self.
Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoy Special Programs Day.
We are so excited to welcome you to the Blue Jay family in Creighton campus.
And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at artsandsciences@creighton.edu.